So y'all, oh my goodness. So this year in my stocking stuffer, and you know we do kind of like just basic necessities in stocking stuffers as well. And so one of my favorite brands that I like to use is Dove. So one of the things that I did get in my stocking stuffer, which I really like, you guys, I have been using it now for a couple of weeks, so I think I can give you guys a decent review on it. But let's talk about, okay you guys, so this is the Dove Ultimate Water-Based and Glycerin Deodorant, and this is what it looks like here. So let's just start off with just some basic things here. This is a 2.6 ounce, you guys, and the scent of this is jasmine and vanilla. This is hypoallergenic, just in case any of you are wondering. And the purpose of this particular deodorant is to restore your underarm skin. Really enjoying this deodorant. I have not ever tried a water-based deodorant before, so this is my first time. I love how lightweight this particular deodorant is, so let's just get into that so you can see that. So, of course, you have your standard top. And of course you have your twister at the bottom to twist the deodorant up should you need it. But this is what the deodorant looks like, you guys. It does not look like your standard deodorant. Once it glides onto your skin, it kind of feels like water. And it dries pretty quickly. So I says that this is the scent of jasmine and vanilla. And y'all, you definitely smell the jasmine. The vanilla is very subtle in this. But let me just say to you, it is not like some of your other perfume. It is not like some of your other deodorants where it just has that perfumey smell, because I can't stand those. The scent in its entirety is very subtle. Now, initially when you apply the deodorant, you will smell a hint of it. But within a couple of minutes, 30 minutes tops, the scent would have subsided. So you do not have to worry about the scent of this deodorant, or at least this particular one, clashing with your lotions or your perfumes or things like that. It is they definitely consider your nostrils when they did the scent for those ones, but that's just my personal take. It doesn't smell perfumey to me. So this particular deodorant is supposed to be good for underarm irritation. So if you're definitely one of those that shave your arms a lot and maybe your underarm skin becomes sensitive or irritable, this will probably be a good deodorant to consider. I have worn this deodorant to the gym and it withstood a harsh workout multiple times throughout the week. Also, it has been cool here and I have been in layers, and it is able to handle layers, okay? It can handle when times get tough. It keeps me fresh for at least a good 8 to 12 hours a day before it's time to freshen up and reapply. Okay, now I was able to find this deodorant online because, to be honest with you, I can't rightfully say in some major grocery stores I have not seen this particular one, but I have found it online, and online I found it to be as cheap as $9.99 as of currently for a 2-pack on Amazon, so that's affordable. This will be something I will spend my money on and purchase for myself. You can't beat that price. Dove Dove really stands up to their name. I have not had any problems with Dove. I really do like this deodorant. It is, again, very affordable. This is something that I would consider for stocking stuffers for year 2025. But anywho, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you till in the next one. Smooches.